Today is January 1st, 2012. Happy New Year to you, YouTubers. This is my deaf dog. He has a really long tongue. He's a Boston Terrier. He's a red Boston Terrier. His name is Oscar, also known as Fatty. And this is him dreaming with one eye open. I think that's two eyes open, actually. The reason my wife and I are able to laugh while he's sleeping, as I said before, is because he's deaf. He's a great dog, for the most part. Gets into a lot of trouble.
He just noticed you, didn't he?
I think he's looking at us now. He's no longer asleep. Though he is still snoring, so maybe he is asleep. Yep. And he's up. Oh, I pulled it back in. What a sad dog. Happy New Year to everyone out there. And good night, sleeping long-time dog.